So the solution is in the vacuum chamber for the next 30 to 45 minutes. I'm going to get these two board assemblies ready so that we can pour the solution in later. So these just press in there. They go further than that. Yeah, they should go quite a ways. Why is that not pressing down? Let me try this one.
Is this lip stopping it? Is this lip stopping it? Is that what it is?
Yeah, yeah. Yep, so actually they don't go down all the way. They just go right there. And then the leads get trimmed later. We're just getting them ready so we can pour the potting material in. So there you go.